What is up, everyone? It's Brittany and I am back, and I know it has been a while, but I have actually been moving out of my old apartment a little bit earlier just with everything happening right now. I think, as everyone knows, there's a lot going on in the world right now, and it's really unsettling, and it's kind of uprooting a lot of people's lives, not only physically, whether that be in school or moving plans, weddings, celebrations, birthdays, gatherings that were supposed to happen, but also just the sheer number of people that are dealing with sick patients, sick family members, sick relatives, people that are unable to visit relatives that may be in like a nursing home or something like that. So overall, it's just kind of a really sad time right now. And I've actually been like binge watching a lot of YouTube videos and stuff right now, especially cleaning videos, just kind of as more of a distraction after I kind of go through the daily news every day. And once I have a picture of what is happening daily and where the state of the world is at that morning, I kind of move on for a little bit, go about my day somewhat, and then kind of at night again do a checkpoint of what's happening. So because I ended up moving out a little bit earlier, my school got all moved online for the rest of the semester, and I obviously can't see my friends and stuff right now of where I was living, and I was already planning on moving in May. I decided to just come back home to the Ohio area to be with my family rather than just staying there by myself while I had a roommate. But staying in my apartment with no school, no friends, nothing really to do, I decided to just come back here, and I don't know if I'll actually be able to move out west in May like I had previously planned. My guess would be no, but that said, I have everything here and I didn't really go through a lot of it before I moved. So my goal for now is to kind of spend some time just kind of keeping myself busy with some organization stuff, because I think it's somewhat productive but a little bit mindless too, so you can kind of just decompress, relax, listen to some music. So that's what we're going to kind of do today. We're going to tackle two main categories, a bunch of books and then a bunch of bathroom stuff, and I'm going to kind of go through it, get rid of expired stuff, do a keep pile, and then maybe a donation pile to see if my siblings want any of it. So that's kind of what's going to happen. I have a lot of books in my room already. We're going to cue that clip right now. So eventually I want, when I have like a more permanent space that I know I'm going to be at for an extended period of time, I do want to get all my books and put them on bookshelves and stuff. But as of now, I just want to narrow it down to maybe a stack or two books I really want to take with me as I go on to do my MFA next year. And I think it's going to focus on a few novels that I still want to read, and then a lot of poetry books, because that is what I'm going to be going to school for, MFA in poetry. That's kind of where we're at right now. For now, I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe right now, and that just your social distancing and doing your part that you can do to help kind of lessen your own impact, your own negative impact, and hopefully we can, you know, like everyone's been saying, flatten that curve and keep people safe. And people are saying, like, flatten that curve, like we don't want our hospitals to get overrun with patients where they can't treat them, and then they have to make choices on who's going to live and who's going to die. So it is so important that you do stay home, you stay isolated, you figure out things to do at home, you go out and take a nature walk where you're not around other people. Like, it's just, I know you hear it every single day, but it really is so important, and it's at this point so selfish to not be at home isolated, not around other people. So with all that said, let's get into the video. So I have a bin right here, and I think this is going to be either the donation or expired pile, and we're going to put that there, and then everything I'm going to keep it in this box for now. And I actually have two other bins in these bags over here, so we're going to do those after, but we're going to start here with this. Night cream, we'll use that. I really like this line of vegan products that come in the little vegan cups boxes. Night cream, stamp, and this is almost it's almost run dry because it's a few years old now, so we're gonna get rid of that. These are my favorite little blush sets, which, excuse my nails, but These really are the best. Okay. Blush, I don't really use this too much. Let's see, got the face mask, we'll keep that. Body oil. So I have two. Don't really need both. This one's more natural. So we're gonna keep this one. To make this. Keep this one gloss product. Some wax for candles. I'm definitely gonna speed through some of this, but got some eyeshadow. I broke it when I dumped. No, some whitening stuff, travel size. Oh, these are my favorite. Little. I've used up a few of these already, so definitely. Travel size. I think this one's almost gone, but no. Night serum. See if my siblings want that, because I already have a night serum as well. And same with this rose toner. Actually, I could combine that with that one. We'll do that. And then I think I'm going through, but I am gonna speed through some of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and then do a time lapse on this.
Sometimes I need you to be better. You don't claim me, but I know you love me. You want me. You wanna take me out in your little coach, and maybe I don't shake. We're up to the sunset. You wanna stop me out.
So, pretty much what's going to happen is we're going to put travel size stuff in here. So, these little bags, travel, everything else. Hairbrushes actually. 15 ounce, I think, is intended. That's not good enough to put on plain, so we'll keep it. Yeah, do everything else in there. So now we are about to do some of the makeup stuff, so fun stuff. Alright, so we kind of got through all the beauty stuff now, and so now I want to tackle books, and there are some pictures in here as well. Oh, it's so heavy. So we got a couple. This is just a decor item, and I'm just gonna, again, I've already mentioned this, but sort them out from only the books I really want to bring on this first round to the apartment, because I'm gonna have so many books for school since I'm gonna be in the English sector that I only want to bring like my favorites or ones I might want to return to for inspiration, plus a couple free read books in case I need a free read book. So let's get to it. So this is like more of a lit mag. I got this at AWP. We're gonna keep this at home just because I'm gonna keep this as at home. This is our undergrad school lit mag, and it's so cute, but again, we're gonna keep this one at home, but like it's literally so beautiful. So yeah, so beautiful. Framed picture, we're gonna keep that. Some framed pictures, these are gonna go up as decor in my new apartment eventually. I got these wood frames, I think at Target. It was either Target or Walmart, and they were very inexpensive, so do recommend if you're looking for some wood style frames. Okay. Oh, Loose Woman. We're gonna bring this and The House on Mango Street. You can see it has got a nice used copy there. So many stickers on it, but again, it's such a good book, so we're bringing that. Both by Sandra Cisneros, and so we're gonna keep these ones at home. I do want to maybe bring a couple that I haven't read before, but
how come the sky at night makes me this way? Why are you so far away? Galaxy cast away.
It's also signed, if I remember right. Yes. And I've read it once, so I could read it again. So, Get in Trouble, short story collection. This was very fun to read. This one's also signed. But I think I will leave it at home. I don't know. It was a weird book. I think I might take that one. Let's see.
Do you hear the thunder? Late at night I start to wonder.
This is all I'm taking as of now, which is a big decrease because this bin was almost overflowing. But I'm gonna grab some from around my room, so that's why I cleared it out a little bit. So I'll be back after I do that to show you what the bin looks like. Alright, so everything in here now, it's a lot less full, 'cause actually these were on top before, so I grabbed all the books I think I'm going to want, and some pictures, and that way now there's some more space in the bin if I want to put some decoration stuff that are just loose in the car right now. So, flip here again. And that is everything we are going to work on for today. And I think tomorrow I want to tackle going through clothes. I have some already divvied out for Poshmark that are on my account right now. It's in vacation mode for the next few days till I get everything sorted out and make sure I have everything. I've begun to make piles from stuff from my car, but I just want to make sure I have everything before I open up the shop again. And I want to go through all my clothes because I definitely cannot take everything I brought back here with me on the next move. So I'm going to go through that and try to get rid of at least 25% of my clothes to either sell or donate. So yep, that's all that's really happening for now. Everything's kind of a hot mess, but it's okay. And again, I hope everyone stays safe, stays as positive as they can, and also stays healthy and stays socially distancing themselves, okay? So guys, make today wonderful, make today beautiful, and I'll catch you next time.